Hey guys, so today I'm going to be filming a video on how to get this look. It's a very natural looking makeup look for the summertime, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. So the first thing I'm doing is my eyebrows. I don't really like to do my eyebrows in any particular shape. I kind of just follow the natural shape of my eyebrows and just make them a little bit darker. Then I take LA Girl Pro Concealer in the yellow corrector and I carve underneath my eyebrows. I want my eyebrows to be very, very clean. I want the eyelid to be all one color and very clean as well. I'm going to be putting the concealer over my entire eyelid. I know this may look excessive and weird. In just a few seconds, it's going to make sense and it's going to look 100 times better. So for this part, it takes me a really long time to blend it out, to make it smooth. But afterward, I go ahead and take my Maybelline setting powder to set the eyelids to make sure it doesn't crease. And this setting powder is tinted. I'm not going to be putting any eyeshadow on. I just want my eyelid to be smooth and uniform and all one color. Next, I'm just taking some primer and some moisturizer and I just put it on my face. Next, I'm going in with Cover FX Power Play Foundation. I have been absolutely loving this foundation as of recently. This foundation can be really full coverage, so be careful. I usually just mix it in with some Maybelline, so that way I still get that super full coverage but less product. If you're wondering what type of skin type I have very, very oily skin. So having good foundations that work well with my oil, especially in the summertime, are essential. So now that I've blended everything out with my beauty blender, I'm going to go ahead and take that same concealer I used underneath my eyebrows, the LA Girl Pro Concealer in yellow corrector. I'm going to put it underneath my eyes, my chin, and my forehead. Then I take another beauty blender and just blend it out. Didn't show it, but then I go ahead and put some airspun powder on the places where I put the concealer and also lightly put it on my face. Then I go ahead and use my favorite bronzer of all time. It is the Becca bronzer. I absolutely love this product. Personally, I like to bronze up my skin rather than contour my face. I just think it looks better. I use really light concealer and it just looks better with bronzer than it would with just flat out contour. I now take some clear mascara just to bring some color back into my eyebrows, because since I put powder over my eyebrows, they kind of fade away, so I'm just bringing it back. I naturally have moles on my face and they fade away once I put foundation on, so I just draw one of them back on. And with that same eyeliner, I go ahead and line the bottom of my eyes. Putting on my eyelashes with some black duo eyelash glue. This is very helpful because it dries black instead of white. This helps blend the eyelash band better, and it also looks like subtle eyeliner on my eye, so I don't have to put some on. Now I'm just going in with some Maybelline waterproof mascara, just in case I get in contact with water or if I sweat, it just helps my mascara and my eyelashes stay in place. Now I'm going over my entire lips with just a really natural brown lip liner. I don't know what the name of it is. I kind of just found it and used it, but it just gives a really subtle natural nude to the lips. Then going in with some Wet n Wild highlighter and putting that on the highest points of my face. I put some pink gloss over my lips, and this is the finished look. It's very natural for the summertime, but it is still full coverage and still full glam. I absolutely love how my skin came out. It looks very smooth, very Photoshop. All the products that I have used will be listed down below. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.